fine!
The best mechanic.
Hana is busy as always taking care of broken cars.
There you go, Nuri.
Thank you, Hana.
Goodbye. I'm getting kind of hungry now. That's right! I've got some donuts. Let's see.
Hana!
Oh? Huh?
I have to go to work now, but one of my handles got ripped off. And I think my tire seems a bit old. Can you fix it?
Okay, I will take a look. Well, I'll start with the handle. Oh? Hello?
There's an accident.
Oh?
Can you come quickly?
Oh dear, I'll be right there.
What's wrong?
There's an accident. I have to go now.
What? How about me?
I'll fix the strap for now, so let's change the tire later, okay? Okay, let's go, Heart.
Okay. But I wanted a new tire, too. It's so very busy today.
I know. Oh my, I'm so hungry. I packed a donut for a time like this. Ouch! Huh? Isn't this a grab handle? Stop!
Hello!
Hello. Ah! What? It's a donut. Why is this hung here?
Huh?
Taiyo comes back to the garage after work.
I'm back.
Taiyo, what's wrong?
Did something happen? You can't imagine. Hana hung a donut instead of a grab handle.
What?
Hana, she's still so clumsy.
Something like this happened before?
Yes, she was like that when I first met her.
Oh,
Really?
How was she back then?
I'm curious.
Let me tell you. It was when I just moved from the old garage to this current one.
It's great. So, you like this new garage now?
Of course. But of all things, I like this repair shop the most.
Yes, you've always wanted to have a repair shop. Now all we need is a mechanic.
Yes, I'll find the best mechanic who fits just perfectly for this bus garage. A lot of people came to the garage when the news spread that we were looking for a mechanic.
Wow. He looks very strong.
He does.
I see that you are strong now.
Can you try repairing that broken bus now?
Of course. Time to show my skills.
Ow! Ow! It hurts!
Quit exaggerating.
Huh?
Okay, done.
Ow!
Don't be a crybaby.
The first person was very strong, but he didn't treat the cars with care.
You cough frequently, right?
Yes.
And your tires seem to be a little stiff.
Yes.
You've been to the beach lately, huh?
That's right. How did you know all that?
I can tell just by looking.
Wow, he is really good.
All right, let's see now. Ah! What are you doing? My clothes got all dirty.
I'm sorry.
I hate filth.
The second one was skilled, but he was not a nice person. More people came afterwards.
I'll fix you.
You look more ill than I am.
But none of them were good enough to be the mechanic
You're good
of the
now,
garage.
right?
But it's the wrong size.
Huh?
We should call it a day, I guess.
I think so too.
Wait!
Huh?
Then Hana came.
You were looking for a mechanic, right?
We are, but it's too late now.
Can you please give me a chance? Being a repair mechanic is my lifelong dream.
Oh, we can give her a chance. She seems desperate.
All right, then try repairing this car.
Oh, okay.
She doesn't seem very strong. Can she handle it?
Hi, I'll get you fixed quickly. Let's start, huh? Huh? I've brought the wrong case. Why is this here?
Taiyo, the little bus. She really did?
So how was she picked to be the mechanic?
Guys!
Hana!
Welcome back, Hannah.
Hi!
Hana, why did you put on a donut for a handle strap?
I'm sorry. I must have made a mistake because I was rushing. But I'll get you a good new tire instead.
Really? Put it on me quickly!
All right, just wait a second. Uh-oh. There aren't any tires. Oh, no.
Hannah, what did you do with your hat?
What? Oh, yeah? Where did it go?
Did you happen to leave it there earlier?
Oh, did I?
Hannah's so clumsy.
All right, I'll be back, you guys. Let's go, Heart.
Okay.
Uh-oh, Hana! Gee, where is she going? She said she was going to change my tire.
Well, she went out to grab her hat back.
Oh, Hana must like that hat more than me.
I don't think so. But her hat is very important to her also.
Oh, is there some story behind it?
Yes, let me continue from where I left off.
Oh, please. Just one more chance.
All right, then we'll give you a last chance if you come back tomorrow.
Oh, really? Thank you.
But make sure you don't come late tomorrow.
Yes, of course.
And so the next day...
All right. I'm not going to make any mistakes this time. Huh?
Oh, what's going on with me?
He must be broken down. I need to help him. Oh, but then I'm going to be late. Oh. But I can't leave him like that.
Oh, no.
What's wrong?
My engine keeps shutting down.
Really? I'll help you.
Really? Thank you.
In the end, Hannah couldn't make it by the promised time. See, she's late again.
She didn't seem like the type.
That's it. Let's get back inside.
Wait! Oh, sorry I'm late.
Yes, you are. It's way past the time you're supposed to come.
I know, but if you just give me a chance now...
No, we don't need a mechanic who can't even keep the time.
Oh.
So Hannah lost her second chance just like that.
What? So you're saying she almost wasn't the mechanic?
I am, but... why is it so hard to find a good mechanic?
Citu,
One!
how is the mechanic search going?
Not good. I couldn't find the right person.
I see.
By the way, why are you back so late?
Oh, I broke down on my way over here. Then, a girl who was passing helped to fix me up. She was really skilled and above all, very, very kind. It'd be really nice if someone like that could be our mechanic.
Really? What was this girl like?
She was very bubbly, and I think her name was Hana.
What?
Oh, I didn't get the position again. It's all right. There must be another chance. I really want to be a repair mechanic.
Excuse me.
Huh? What are you doing here?
I have something to tell you.
What is it?
I heard from one that you were late because you were helping him on your way to meet us.
Yes, I couldn't just leave a broken bus.
I'm sorry, I was wrong about you.
Oh?
I was only looking for the very best mechanic. But what we really need is someone that cares for cars like you do.
What?
Hannah, will you be the mechanic of our garage?
Really?
Yes, and this is my welcome gift to you.
Wow! Thanks, Citu!
Don't mention it. I'll be counting on you.
Of course! Yay! I'm a mechanic! Yoo-hoo-hoo!
You're so happy.
Sure thing!
So that was how Hannah became the mechanic of this garage. And that hat is still her most precious treasure even now.
That's very touching.
Oh, I didn't know the hat was that important.
We're back.
Huh?
Hana! Hello! Hana, did you find your hat?
Huh? No, but... There, Taiyo. The new tire.
Wow!
How is it? Do you like it?
Thank you very much! But how about the hat?
Oh, don't worry about it. The hat's important, but Taiyo's safety is way more important to me.
Oh, Hana.
Oh? Isn't that your lost hat there?
Oh? Huh? That's odd. How did this end up in here?
He must have forgotten again.
Oh, good that I found it, though.
Hana always looks the best with the hat on her head.
You look so pretty.
Why are you all acting weird all of a sudden?
We have our reason.
Huh?
Although Hannah may be a bit clumsy at times, she still is the best mechanic.